NGK Parts. We're going CRV hunting today. It's my first time filming in the yard, so should be interesting. See what we find. I got word there's a CRV here. Looky there. All the parts I need are gone. Perfect. Somebody is doing some kind of surgery here. EK cluster. Another EK cluster. Don't know what they were doing. And no way. This is the part I'm looking for. Already removed. Ready for my taking. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Respect. So that part that I just saw was not for that car, so. Ooh. Now you have my attention. Now you have my attention. On the hunt. 335. Where is my CRV? There's my CRV. What's left? Ew. Well, radiator and radiator fan also gone. Don't know what's going on here, but let's see if there's anything that I need. The table's really cool. What do we have back here? Death trap. Another tail light. That's good. I'll keep these safe for someone else. Yum. Dr. Pepper. Okay. Don't want to stir the pot too much. I'll save these headrests for somebody else. Unfortunately, all the parts I'm looking for are no longer here. Just keep searching. Yum. User manual, perhaps? Oh, user manual to life. Yeah. Walter 316 said, I kicked your ass. Get some toothpaste? Oh, yeah. Come on, man. So, unfortunately, 2 for 2 CRVs, nothing what I'm looking for, so on to the next one. So, apparently, you don't want to, with Eddie, hold for Eddie, don't towel Eddie can, donut towel Eddie can. Beautiful day. We know what happened.
Right beside a junk car.
Yep, we know what happened to that guy.
Yeah, keep it quiet, brother.
We know what happened to him. We know what happened to this guy. He lost his damn wig. And number 3, completely ripped apart. A great steering wheel cover, beautiful. Ooh, what's this? Oh yeah, the Mystic. I'll try to remain optimistic. Can't forget about the Mystic. Freak tire. Pretty tired of not finding what I need. Number 4, what do we have? Oh, let me open the door real quick. Oh, nice to meet you. Meet too nice. Okay, let me get this up. Oh, okay. Extreme racing with the air tools, the drill bits. specialty hardware. Fire. 99 Civic Coupe. I need a driver's seat for my EK hatch, so this one looks to be in excellent condition. It's got the other one over there, no headrest. And now I'm gonna go try to find a headrest. Honda Civic, different pattern on the seats. I'll see what I can find. Not today. Ooh. Getting closer. I see a headrest. Different pattern. Damn, this thing hasn't been destroyed yet though. Damn, this thing is actually amazingly clean. One thing was I also needed a cluster, and somebody already did the hard work of unbolting this for some reason, so I'm gonna be taking this. Snip snip. Nice clean cluster. It's automatic going in a manual, but I don't think that matters. It's hard to find one of these that hadn't been taken apart, so let's go. Come on, Eddie. Save some points for the rest of us. Oh. I'm back again. I wasn't able to find a matching headrest, unfortunately. I think I'm just gonna grab the one seat since I'm gonna sell the car as a shell anyway. So I'm gonna get that going. Also found cup holder, Volkswagen. If you know, you know. I need the steering wheel, but you can't buy airbags, so no point. I'm just gonna grab this seat and be out of here. Bye bye. So if you saw these already, NGKs, these are for S-MX. Here are the OEM style NGK plug wires. I always like to have a set of blues in my engine bay. These are the best wires you can get for the car. So I'm gonna put these on today. Let's see. I stopped in my good old O'Reilly's, and luckily they had all four of these in stock, about less than $4 a piece. Can't beat that. So thank you, O'Reilly's. And these are off of Amazon. Thank you, Overstock Direct, Amazon, Jeff Bezos. Let's put these in. So I'm going to be removing this airbox assembly here. In this case, I'm just going to use a 10mm extendo. And then just remove this intake tube, and the box should just come right off. Now we see one of the main reasons I purchased this car is just because it's B20. Everything is nice and simple here. Probably remove this for making it easier. I'm gonna start by undoing these plug wires. GK all day. These are numbered by 2, 3, 4. So I'll get the longest. You want to change plug wires if it hasn't been done, or if you don't know when it's been done last, just because it'll increase your miles per gallon and many other improvements there. So I got the longest plug here. pop this up. Follow this here. And now I know this is the one that goes there. So let's plug this one here. Old wires be gone. You can see which one is the superior. Plug wires done for now. I just have to pop them in their socket. These can go in the trash. Bye bye. So now I'm going to remove spark plugs in each of the cylinders. I went through the Japanese service manual and this is the plug it said to use, so that's what I'm using. Beautiful. Let's get to it. Alright, all the plugs are in. Just gonna pop these in one by one and should be good to go. Oh my, alrighty, looks good. So I'm gonna start the car and make sure everything is good before I put the airbox back on, and then we should be good to go. First start, let's see how she does. Seems good to me. Well, she purrs like a kitten. Alrighty, I'm gonna put the airbox back on and then we're done. Hood up, airbox off, new plugs in, new plug wires, airbox back on, hood closed. When the hood's closed, you know it's a good project completed. Done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoy the content. Like if you enjoy the content. I'll see you later.